A host of talented people are clutching newly minted Oscars weeks before the big ceremony. They won them over the weekend not for acting, but for helping actors and directors do what they do. Dennis Michael reports on the Academy's Sci-Tech Awards in the Tech Guide.
I am so incredibly thrilled to be in a room full of people who can honestly say they know what they're doing in this business.
This is not the Oscar night you're used to. Anne Heche played hostess last weekend for the annual Scientific and Technical Awards for the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, where the developers of the tools and processes that make movie magic possible receive Academy recognition. The crop of winners this year range from the practical, like the shock block that keeps wet sets from being electrocution risks, don't try this at home, to the humble.
These names. Smith? Anybody heard of Smith? Davis? Unbelievable. Anyway, safety. On the set is always a concern, and as an actor, I applaud every effort that's made to keep it that way. Our next award winner, the Shock Block, provides people protection from actors and film crew alike. The K-Tech Shock Block is a specially designed ground fault interpreter that eliminates the electronic shock hazard when working in water, wet conditions, or from an accidentally exposed power line. The Shock Block's metering output can even predict ground faults before they occur, allowing gaffers and technicians to quickly localize the faulty equipment with minimal downtime for the production. Just to show you what confidence Stephen Kay, the designer of the Shock Block, has in his product, we're going to run a short film clip. In it, you'll see Mr. Kay standing barefoot in a tank of water and dropping a live light fixture into the tank, equipped with a shock block. Maybe you have that clip? When do you start knowing that that's your vocation? Now, this may not seem too impressive at first glance, although it was impressive, but compare it to the original demonstration film done by Mr. Kay's former partner when someone inadvertently forgot to turn on the shock block. Let's see that clip. Well, I have been informed that just to make you feel better, that wasn't really Mr. Kay's former partner. It was his former lawyer. Now, well, we've had some fun with this. Yes, it's obviously a remarkable safety advancement, and for the design and development of the shock block, the Academy is pleased to present Scientific and Engineering Awards to Stephen Kay. Mr. Kay. Congratulations.
Thanks, Annie. Emma, if you'd like to hold that for me. Just got a few words here to say. in 45 seconds or less. I'd like to thank the Academy's Board of Governors for this tremendous award. And our thanks also to the surrogates and other technical committee members for their support. In August '97, 2 young sisters were electrocuted in a bath of water here in Los Angeles, under circumstances not too dissimilar from my former partner up there. In September '98, the shock block saved its first life on a movie set here in Los Angeles. I'd like to offer my appreciation and thanks to all those involved in the creation of the shock block and its underlying technologies. These are John Burr from Consolidation Coal Company, Pete Davidian, our local marketing guru, and my friend Wolfgang Kaschub and his team at Woker Electronic for the design of the circuitry for the shock block. Lastly, my many thanks to Bernard Reed and my wife Monique and my daughter Emma for their unwavering support over the years. Thank you.
One of the fundamental requirements